Hi guys, Adam here from Art of Integration. We're at a recently completed project over in Oxshott. Please come in and have a quick look. We were tasked with converting this room from a dining room to a media room. We have a 75-inch Sony TV. Around it we have the left, centre and right speaker hidden behind some acoustically transparent material. 2 in-ceiling speakers to provide the rear audio channel, powered by a Yamaha amplifier and a Sonant subwoofer inside the cupboard. And the room lighting has been integrated into a Lutron RA2 system, all of which has been joined together via a Control 4 home automation system. Just wanted to quickly run you through the AV rack which we've installed. We have a combination of package and Arachnus network hardware. The whole house system is controlled by a Control 4 EA5 control processor, which helps to integrate the heating and lighting and audio visual sources throughout the house. We have the client's video sources, which is currently 2 skyboxes. And at the bottom of the rack, we have a triad matrix switcher, which does the audio to 8 zones, powered by, again, a triad audio amplifier.